What is it? What is it? What is this one?
Exit now.
Sausage and country store. That's exactly what I need. Sausage and country. Cracker Barrel.
Cracker Barrel. Cracker, I hardly know her. Oh wait, I'm a cracker. Bojangles. Like Bojack? Horseman? Bojangles.
Shoney's.
Look at Shoney's. The classic from the Rick and Morty. From the Rick and Morty.
Morty, we gotta go to Shoney's. We gotta get Packers Morty.
Adult Central Superstore. Exit 104. Here we go, boys. We're going to the superstore. Oh, truck parking. Excellent.
Dude, I like these signs, the white. Pretty funny.
That's racist.
Look at that. Well, look at this. It's like 3 signs saying click. Like reminding you 3 times. Like what?
No, it's a continuous. One click can't save your life.
Oh.
Yeah.
Clever, but that's expensive. Your life is worth it.
Your life.
Brought to you by the Public Safety
Well, yeah,
Foundation
but the
of
forgetting one.
In Georgia. Yeah.
The forgetting one thing though, that the people that they're trying to market to are on the phones. Oh, that's a seatbelt. Right?
Yeah. Yeah, I personally leave my phone inside of my seatbelt. I think we should go to a superstore.
Look at this.
We go to the adult.
They bought all the billboards for this thing. Not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, but 5.
Why couldn't they make a joke like "come now"?
God.
My God.
Guys, I think we need to go to a superstore.
It's got truck parking.
How much money is these people making for this?
There's more.
There's more on this sign.
Selected items always 50% off. Wow.
Yeah,
Look at that. We're nuts. We're nuts.
We have to look at that.
We're nuts.
That's a shame. We'll never see it again.
Yeah, if we walked into that store, they'd be like, "Ha, look, a triplet of virgins."
What a bunch of...
Bigfoot, the Sasquatch Museum.
Look, Bigfoot. You missed it. There's Bigfoot on a poster. Bigfoot.
Wow, epic.
Bigfoot.
That's not Bigfoot.
That's what the mango was.
Sam Squinch.
Look at that. Look at that. That's what he says. Look, come.
And Sam Squinch is out in my shirt.
20 feet of jerky.
There is.
I got 20 feet of jerky.
Among Us.
What have you done?
He played Among Us. He played Among Us.
That's Max Sus.
He played Among Us,
I
dude.
don't know what you're talking about.
Just scared. That's scared.
We're about halfway through Georgia.
I expect you to do that. Scared me.
You scared me.
It's the STD cap. Don't get any STDs, man. Okay.
He won't stop touching my dick.
Uh oh, it's already started. The STD's already spreading.
Oh no.
Oh no, are you transmitting the sex?
STDs.
My mom said I can't have that.
Sex is bad, and so is you.
Well, we don't have to worry about that, I guess.
I'm such a stud, I'm a sex repellent.
I'm such a sex. I'm a.
Kryptonite.
Crazy billboards.
Oh, huh?
I love how it's a volume Chevrolet and it's just a picture of this man and his wife just standing next to each other.
Shorties.
Like it's a portrait. Here we go. Ah, she wasn't looking.
She
What
got
the hell?
Pikachu, Alex. You don't want her back away.
She got Pikachu?
Yeah.
What?
She's taking a peek at you. Oh!
What? Maybe get some bitches on your dick if you get rid of that yee ass haircut.
You're gay. I gotta pee.
Pickle Rick.
Oh no, it's some sort of remix.
Detour.
Shut up!
Started to put a strain on their
No!
relationship.
You're reading way too much.
Listen to me,
What brought them
Google.
together to begin with, being best friends.
She's reading a
becoming
novel.
circle of friends includes
Google
divorced
reads a
AJ and
short
Jess,
novel.
The younger half of a May to December relationship.
This is a summary of the show, the full show.
Oh, it's done.
Okay, Google, read Wikipedia of Wikipedia.
Wikipedia.
Opening Wikipedia.
Pickle Rick is down here.
Okay, let's get music going again. Now I have Wikipedia of Wikipedia in the back.
Wikipedia, my god.
Is that a Wikipedia page for Wikipedia?
When are we gonna stop to pee?
You don't. That's the thing.
Don't. You
Well.
already went pee-pee.
Yeah, like 3 hours ago.
Yeah, stop where though? That's
I don't know. There's exits everywhere.
Those
You gotta pee-pee every 3 hours.
Alex, I drank a giant drink. I usually
Joey, how
pee
much
every
of your
half an
drink
hour.
did you drink?
Oh, mostly.
I've
all
been
of it.
drinking the ice too.
Oh no.
Oh, Billy, I knew you'd be the kind of guy who can't hold his pee.
I can't. I have to effing go pee every half an hour. What time is it?
Every half an hour?
Yeah. Oh, it's only 3:33.
I believe that's an enlarged prostate.
No, it's called anxiety.
What, to make you pee?
Yeah.
Pee man.
I'm a gay man now.
Yeah, PP ban. Sorry, Billy, we can't
ban.
stop.
No, it said gay ban.
No,
See?
I'm the radar expert. It said PP ban.
It said you're gay.
As a matter of fact, a PP ban means you're not allowed to have a PP. Hand it over.
You've lost pee privileges.
Yep, hand it over.
Nope. What the F?
Hello?
Was there even enough space to do that?
No, there wasn't. He found space.
God.
And that space used to be my bumper.
Yeah.
This guy's trying to do the same thing over here.
Well, if he just waits, he can get his turn.
Film his license plate, Shuggy. We'll expose him.
Play Marietta Cinco de Mayo.
Cinco de Mayo show by Marietta Shaw. Playing on Spotify.
The initial reaction was better. Alex, I had to pee like effing whatever.
PP drama.
Yeah.